Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to disable do not disturb. Friends, you want to disable your Poco phone guys do not disturb settings. Okay, how to disable do not disturb in Poco mobile. Friend, your Poco phone is not ringing and you don't have any notification sound. So friend, how to disable do not disturb in Poco mobile? Open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Then click on guys your Poco phone guys sound and vibration setting. So first guys you can see your notification setting, phone ringtone, phone alarm ringtone setting. Friends, you want to set any ringtone, so you can set your Poco phone ringtone from here guys. Friends, you can see guys your media volume, ringtone volume, alarm sound guys. You can customize this volume from here. Friends, first silent mode settings, silence incoming calls and notification. You want to silent your Poco phone, so you can silent and you can have your silent mode setting. Friends, you can see silence media in silent mode. And first you can see do not disturb is on means enable. So then how to disable the right side guys, click option. Friends, you can see for incoming calls and notification will not silence. So and friends, you can see moon icon will also remove on your status bar. So like that guys we can disable do not disturb. And guys one more setting guys, then guys you can disable direct guys. You don't know where is do not disturb setting in Poco phone and guys any another device. So friends, open search bar setting and guys search here do not disturb setting direct guys. You can disable your do not disturb setting. And do not disturb setting guys, click here. There will be no reminder for incoming call and notification. Call and notification won't be silenced anymore. So direct guys you can disable. So I hope friends you understood how to disable D and D mode means do not disturb disable in Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.